What's up, chat? Yeah, I'm about to tell you we are electric beings, so I like doing referrals with Wikipedia because some of y'all don't understand what I'm saying, but it's cool, it's cool. I want to talk about the fact that we can merge with computers and become like cyborgs, right? Because we are electric beings. We have nerves that work on electrical impulses. Your heart is sort of like a generator that always pumps blood, which is the electricity of the body, which works through oxygen. So, which means that you are a system that has a charge. I don't know if you get me, but as a system with a charge, you can artificially connect with anything that's a computer, meaning that that's why you need minerals to eat. That's why you need, like, everything is a charge, guys. The salt that I eat has a charge. The water that I eat has a charge. It's just that it's bipolar, making it a base, making it neutral. The blood has iron. Iron has a charge, but it doesn't mean that if I take a magnet and actually put it on my body like this, it's gonna charge. It has less charge. That's why we deal with intermolecular forces. So all I'm trying to say is I don't like this AI stuff, but I found it like it's interesting to talk about it because that's the only way your brain is gonna get hacked. Your brain doesn't have a password. Like your brain doesn't have a password. Brain. So anybody can get into your brain and actually know what's going on with the technology they have. So you know, it's an organ that serves the center of the nervous system, the CNS, central nervous system. This is your central nervous system, guys. The one that's a CPU to your body that distributes information all around your body so that your organs know what to do, what type of function it has. It's sort of like the CPU, but it takes out instructions to every organ, which is sort of like a bus or a program. So the software itself, it's the brain that stores that information. That's why sometimes when part of your brain like is affected, you can't walk or see or talk because this is a software. It has a collection of programs that it gives out to the CPU, which is the CNS, as long as the generator, the power supply, which is the heart, keeps on working, passing through current through every vessel via blood. The blood is the current. If you check your blood, if you let me yeah. I don't know if they have this, and you see how it spirals and everything. Like, take it like magnetic coils. When you put electricity, doesn't go in one way. It goes everywhere. It spirals. This is crazy, man. I don't know why people like this is this is information at plain sight. You can see there's a blood cell, okay? There's an image of a white blood cell on the right, and in the middle is a platelet. Let's just take it as a virus or anything. The red blood cells distribute oxygen. They are the reason why you have tissues. The red blood cells can be seen as instructions within a program. The white blood cells can be seen as the defender, the antivirus, programs that act as like programs that look for malicious threats or anything within the circulatory system, within your body. Those are the white blood cells. And the virus, no, it's living or non-living, or if you're speaking about organic, it's a living or non-living thing because it needs a host to live. which is your body, and also in computers, the host, which is your software. So viruses are the things that change the code. They can actually change the code of what's inside an organ, a cell, DNA, but they go deep into the nucleus, which is the DNA, the bits. The genes are like the bits. The megabytes, gigabytes, those are like the genes because they're storing information. So viruses can only affect you if they alter so much of your DNA or your code, or change your code, your genetic makeup, in such a way that it gives your organs a false positive result that I'm part of the body, hence you have to kill yourself and others that are like you so that we take over. That's why a person gets a disease. So I was speaking about AI that can merge with us. It can, because there is nanotechnology. There is nanotechnology that can actually work within your blood cells. Like, this is interesting. Doesn't this look like an atom? Like, this is cell looks like an atom. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. So this is your power supply, your heart, your cardiovascular guru, the guy that distributes like blood everywhere. This one doesn't care whether you have a virus, you have a what. It just keeps going, even if it's affected until it goes off. This is the reason why you got electricity moving around your body. So keep drinking water, which means keep adding more kilowatts to your body so that you charge yourself with the right information. So your heart is sort of like all of this I read. So when we speak about blood types, I like talking off the top. When we speak about blood types, like this one has A, this one has B, this one has AB, this one has an O. Your blood types are sort of like, you know what are the versions, the skin packs. You get Windows Professional, you get Windows Office, you get Windows Home, different types of softwares, but they're all the same software, but they have different types of programs. You feel me, blood? You feel me? So, whenever you put anything in your body, know that your body is responding to everything. Everything from your head to your toes, everything is responding. You feel me? Some of the blood, which is the electricity, go for the body, goes through the bone marrow. The bone marrow is very important because that's where we can track your DNA. That's where you can form new tissues. A person can clone you accurately with your bone marrow. So guys, DRAM is like a tower. Do you know like a tower, your computer? Yeah, a computer box. The bones are like the computer box of the of the biological computer. They protect everything inside, or they protect the structure of every organ, how it should move so that it doesn't get affected. So guys, and now honestly speaking, the most important thing is your spine. I see the heart, I see the brain, I see everything. Your spine is important. There's too much information in your spine and in your sexual organs compared to anywhere else. So this yellow bone marrow came from the blood cells that actually are coming from a healthy oxygenated person. So guys, this is crazy. These look like coils, like magnetic coils and stuff. This is crazy, man. Yeah, I just wanted to just talk. I still remember this from 12 years ago. So guys, know yourselves, know your body, know what are minerals, what is a mineral, what is an organic thing, it's solid. Minerals are, this is what they call a mineral, guys. Crystals. That's why when you eat salt, it goes within your body and you get those gallbladder stones because they had to like bond together. But if you dilute these things, they can become liquids. You can put them in food. Some of the plants, some of the animals have these things inside. It's just that the concentration is less. We are like crystal beings. We are magnetic beings, guys. We are. God bless.